Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi friends. Today I was facing a very complicated situation in a case while dealing a hostile witness. Hostile witness is the most dangerous phenomenon for a liar in a case. And now I want to discuss some aspects of the hostile witnesses. The word hostile does not figure anywhere in the Qaanoon-e-Shahadat Order 1984, you people know. Basically, a hostile witness is one who, from the manner in which he gives evidence, shows that he is not desirous of telling the truth to the court. He is hiding the truth. He does not want to expose the truth to the court. It is assumed that a party will call as a witness only the person who can prove his case, and in practice, as an almost invariable rule, what such witness may be expected to say is known beforehand. Every party gives the evidence via his witnesses to prove his case, and he expects the best performance, the best word in his favor in the court. So he presents the witnesses in the court. And when a witness makes a statement adversely affecting the party producing him, the party producing is feel much embarrassment when he feels that the presenting witnesses has gone resile and he has been won over by giving the money by the accused party. And it assumes great importance and may be treated by the court as an admission on the part of the party itself. Therefore, if the party who produced him desires to put him question in the nature of cross-examination, it does not ask for the moon. What will be the solution when you put a person as a witness for his favor and he goes against you and he gives the evidence against you and you are presenting a witness, but he is giving the evidence against your verdict and he is proving yourself as a false part. If he is to be tied to the admission made by such witness, and if ultimately, as often happens, the fate of his case is to hang upon his admission, then in all the fairness to him, he should be permitted to put him question in the nature of cross-examination. When a witness in the criminal case goes for the 161 statement and then he is being won over by the accused party and he goes for the 164 statement and he change all the evidence, he change all the verdicts made by the prosecution party. And you people know, where a witness deliberately conceals a fact, the witness can be cross-examined by the prosecution, which is permissible under Article 150, Qaanoon-e-Shahadat Order 1984. It is the point. Up we discuss 150 article of Qaanoon-e-Shahadat Order 1984. Wording of Article 150, Kanun Shahadat Order 1984 is as the court may, in its discretions, permit the person who calls a witness to put any question to him which might be put in cross examination by the adverse party. Now, the notion is clear. The court may, in its discretion, permit the person who calls a witness to put any question to him which might be put in cross examination by the adverse party. Provisions of Article 150 Kanun Shahadat Order 1984 are attracted if it is established that the witness is guilty of persuasion, is guilty of won over by taking the money, prevarication, or the witness is inconsistent in his statement, or the witness tries to suppress the truth, or that he bears animosity towards the party who calls him. He has gone resile, मुक्कर गया उसी पार्टी के खिलाफ जिस पार्टी ने उसको प्रोड्यूस कर रही है. This criteria has been referred in 2010 GBLR page 560 Gilgit-Baltistan, and this notion was interpreted in the 2003 YLR page 1650, and this notion has been exactly discussed in 2010 MLD page 1848 Peshawar High Court, and 1998 CLC Lahore High Court page 1148. Resile witness basically goes hostile and resile from the statement which he has given before. And you know, people, it is a settled principle of administration of the criminal justice system that when a person makes a statement and then he resiles, until the second statement is being cross-examined under the Article 150 Kanun Shahadat Order 1984, the first statement will prevail. The verdict of the first statement will prevail until that. In another case, it was observed that hostile witness may be defined as one who, from the manner in which he gives evidence, within which he is included the fact that he is willing to go back upon the previous statement made by him, it shows that he is not desirous of telling the truth to the court. Basically, he has been won over by the other party. This verdict, this specific notion has been interpreted in the 2003 YLR page 2958. And on the contrary to this viewpoint, it was observed requirement is not that the witness must be suppressing the truth or not desirous of making the truthful statement in the court, but as to whether he has made a statement which may adversely affect the party producing him. This view was taken by the Honorable Court in the reference cited 2008 PCRLJ page 327. When the witness was declared hostile, he was to be cross-examined by both the parties and confronted with the earlier statement, which he has given in one's party's favor. He will be confronted in the cross-examination. He will be cross-examined, and then he will be confronted with the previous statement which he has given in the police station or any other before any other authority, if any, reduced in writing. And this verdict was interpreted in 2003 YLR page 2958. And it is pertinent to mention here that an unfavorable witness is not necessarily a hostile witness. Hostile witness, from his manner of giving the evidence, shows his unwillingness of telling the truth to the court. Answers of witness to a certain question, if is it in direct conflict with the evidence of the other witnesses, can never be a reason for allowing the witness to be treated as a hostile and permitted to be the cross-examined if that is corroborating with the other witnesses, with the other statements given by the other witnesses. Now, the court has discretion to use its judicial mind, then allow or disallow any witness to be declared a hostile witness. And this was interpreted in PLD 2007 Lahore High Court page 474, 2010 MLD Peshawar High Court page 1848, and 1984 SCMR page 560. And you people know hostile witness basically Asteen ka Saap, and we will discuss this specific phenomena of the hostile witness that make the case in the adverse position. We will discuss inshallah in the different segments inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.